My name is Vladimir Ječitský and I'm the author of Knowledge at Risk Analytics. After watching this video, you will understand how the analytics works and what makes it so special. Let's agree that knowledge is a valuable asset for any business and as such, it deserves close management attention. However, you can manage only what you can measure, and knowledge is not measurable. Actually, the opposite is true because knowledge at risk analytics makes knowledge a measurable asset. The first key idea behind our knowledge measurement approach is asking the right question. If you ask somebody how much does one know about a particular area, the question might be hard to answer. However, once you ask how much effort it would take to pass on his knowledge to a colleague, you will receive a clear and tangible answer. This answer might be, I need 20 working days to pass on my knowledge. So, the knowledge can be passed on within 20 days by having 2 employees working together. Therefore, the size of this particular knowledge area equals 40 man-days. Know that this is the true cost of knowledge, since this number reflects not only the complexity of the subject matter, but also the actual willingness and ability of a knowledgeable employee to train someone else. Now we move on to the second key idea behind our knowledge measurement approach, which is the employee classification. Since knowledge is being carried by employees, major driver of knowledge drain is employee turnover. Therefore, knowledge at risk analytics requires you to classify employees to 3 risk levels: low, medium and high. Low risk employees are fine. Medium risk employees are thinking about leaving your company. High risk employees have already decided to leave. Now imagine you are running a consulting company and you decide to apply knowledge at risk to manage your company's knowledge asset. Your first step will be to conduct the company survey using our web-based KADR software, which asks all your employees about training effort for every knowledge area of your business. This might be the result. The first key to the chart is the employee classification indicated by colors. The second key to the chart is the classification of knowledge areas. The chart shows knowledge organized in 3 columns, indicating the importance of the knowledge for your company. The most important knowledge is represented by the first column from the left. The third and the last key is the training effort expressed in man-days. The chart reveals that the total size of the knowledge within your company equals roughly 400 man-days. Unfortunately, only about a quarter of the overall knowledge is being carried by low-risk employees. Therefore, the possible conclusion may be that your company risks losing critical knowledge because high-risk employees are carrying a considerable portion of it. As indicated by the chart, you need to invest 70 man-days of effort to pass on this knowledge to less risky employees. This investment would mitigate the risk of losing your company's critical knowledge in the future due to employee turnover. In order to identify the employees and the knowledge areas for the knowledge transfer, you will use a more detailed chart that is not covered within this video. Once the knowledge transfer is finished, you will conduct the same survey again. As the result, you will get the indication of the true effectiveness of your knowledge management. We reached the end of my presentation, at which point I hope I have provided you with a helpful insight on how to bring your company to the next level of performance and efficiency in dealing with your knowledge asset.